welcome back to Oily Time with Jax. This is part 2 of the benefit of essential oils and the outdoors. What you need to know and how to go chemical free coming right up. Now don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe. You don't want to miss all this incredible information and education of all the things we can do with essential oils and plant-based products, right? I don't. It's fantastic. So first up, I talked about bugs. Not a big fan of mosquitoes. It is that time of year when everything's blooming, also brings the bugs out. Not a big fan. So I'm going to use Young Living's insect repellent. It is a plant-based product and it's very effective. I found it works very well on the smaller mosquitoes, and when I need a little bit more of a kick, I'm going to add some citronella and I'm going to add some lemongrass to my mixture, and I'll put it in a glass bottle like this, and I will actually add some water to it, and about 20 drops each of the citronella and the lemongrass, and that just bumps it up and gives it a kick so it can actually get those huge mosquitoes that we get out here where I live, which is in a very woodsy area, and I'm close to a river. So yeah, the citronella, the lemongrass, some water, and bump it up with about this much of the insect repellent. You have a natural DEET-free way of getting rid of mosquitoes. It's fantastic, and it actually is very effective because the guys out here, they're huge. So this has been my armor and it works very effectively. Also, if you do get bit, you can use purification. It's a blend oil that we have with Young Living, and it will actually take that itch right away. And it is chemical free, it doesn't sting, and your skin is gonna feel good, okay? All right, so next up, we're gonna move over. It's starting to get hot. Your skin's not used to being exposed to the sun, so we wanna actually start off slow, right? I know some of you like to get the color in the sun, and we've gotta protect our skin. So let's use a pure mineral sunscreen. Again, from Young Living, also a plant-based product, also very effective and very good for your skin. There are no chemicals or anything that's gonna harm your skin. If you start reading the ingredients, you'll know what I'm talking about. Right? I always encourage you to do your own research, but honestly, check out the ingredients of Young Living's mineral sunscreen. You can find it on my website, and I'll put it right here. And you'll be able to take a look at the ingredients and how we can go completely plant-based without any chemicals and still be effective in the sun. So I'm going to start with this. Now, should I forget an area, or I'm just out way too long and it does absorb, like if I'm out for 8 hours, we have our aftersun, also plant-based. It's really good. It actually is just like putting a fresh aloe plant right on your skin. I'm holding my arm because that's where I did get burnt. Right on your skin, and it's going to take that heat off, that pain off. It's going to heal your skin, and you're not going to get that horrible patchy, bubbly, burnt skin. So aftersun, very important to have. It's actually really good. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2-ounce bottle, and I'm going to put some lavender, some peppermint, and some eucalyptus. But I like to do 10 drops of each. You might want to start off with 5. That's just me. I like my oils a lot, so I do 10 of each. Eucalyptus, peppermint, and the lavender. So 10 drops of each in a 2-ounce glass bottle, right? It's a spray bottle, and add the rest with water. Like, just fill it up with water. This is a great cooling mist. I can take this anywhere. I usually have it in my car, and when I go to the lake, I'm always running around taking the dog for a walk somewhere with water, and I need to cool down. This is my cooling spray. It's fantastic. It's easy to tote around. Make it in any size bottle you want, right? But this is the one you want to do. Go with that. It's really relieving. So there you go. This wraps up my essential oils and the outdoors video. I hope you learned something. I hope you go chemical free. Now, if you like this or any of the other videos I've been doing on oil education, please subscribe. You don't want to miss anything that's coming up. Now, I do new videos every Wednesday. I have my website right here, and you can contact me or reach out to me at any given time. I always put my contact information in the description below. So don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again next week. Until then, stay healthy and happy oiling.